Babatunde Gbadamosi, businessman, real estate developer, reacting to Tinubu's over 120 cars convoy, said that Peter Obi will never tell Nigerians to sacrifice for the country and increase the price of fuel and go ahead with such a huge number of convoy, that Peter Obi will never be part of it. Will never do a thing like that. And also that Peter Obi will not go outside the country for medical treatment. I totally agree with Gbadamosi that a Peter Obi presidency will never carry such a huge number of convoy, because Peter Obi is very prudent in his personal resources and in the public resources.